Hi friends, how are you? I hope you're fine, and today I bought an awesome video for you. I know some of my subscribers, my fans, are armies of BTS, and I'm also the one of biggest fan of BTS. So in my today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make BTS photo cards free of cost. Oh my gosh. So if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe my channel and share the video. And watch the video completely, cause in today's video, I got a surprise for you. So watch the video completely so that you don't miss surprise part. So let's start today's video. To make BTS photo cards, you need these types of color pictures of BTS members. Just like this. And now you have to also take a one clipboard, so I have also taken this line. Firstly, with the help of scale and cutter, firstly I will cut this line. Let's cut it. Like this, we have to put the scale. Now we're gonna do the cutting. Look, now there's a line. Now you have to put the scale like this, and then when you do this, it's easily gonna remove. Look. Now I got a line of BTS pictures. There are some lines like this. I'm gonna cut these lines as well. Look, and this bit of J-Hope is cool, amazing. Like this, I've done the cutting of all the pics of BTS members. Look. Let me show you. Okay. Now we have to take two pictures, your favorite any, of same size. I like this picture of Jungkook and J-Hope the most, so I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put these pictures aside. Now I'll glue stick and tape. You need a transparent scotch tape. Firstly, you have to put the pictures like this, then one over here and one over here. You can do like this. So you have to do it, you have to glue it, and then you have to paste this one over here. Cause we are gonna make double-sided photo cards. Like this. Sorry. Now I'm gonna do a finger like this to make them straight. Look. It's amazing. You can see it. It's not finished yet. Now we need scotch tape. We have to open it. Now we're going to open the tape. Firstly, we have to put it over here, paste it over here, just like this. Not the picture right now. Now we're going to open the tape like this, because it would be straight. Now we are going to take the picture over here. You have to see, is it equal, the tape and the pic is equal or not. So I'm also saying that. Now you have to paste it like this. Sorry, I have to open the tape a little more because I'm going to make it equal. Okay, now with the help of finger you make it straight. No problem if you've taken the tape more because you're gonna cut it. Okay, like this. You can see it. Okay, these are the extra part of tape. You're not gonna cut equal extra parts. You're just gonna cut a little extra part because when we will do on other side just like this, it will be difficult for us. That's why. So you can see that I'm just leaving this small part. Okay, now to the other side as well, just like this. Nothing is gonna be changed. Now you're gonna do the cutting of the tape like this. Now you have to do the cutting of the tape with the equal size of the paper, just like this. I'm gonna show you. Just like this. Okay, now you have to see from this side, this is both sides, that which side from the high we have to cut. Okay. I'm going to do the cutting of these two sides as they aren't extra. From the top you can leave. It's your choice that you should cut it or not. So I thought to cut it. Just like this. The photocard is ready. About to become this. Okay, just like this. Well, I have made some more. Just like these, I have made some more photo cards as well. Let me show you. With the same method, I have made some more as well. This and this double-sided are so cute. Look. This is a BTS sign logo, and this is, you know, this member. Just like the same method, I make so many. Okay. You can see it. Okay, let me show you some more as well. Let me pick this one. You can see this one. And some more. This is our rap monster. Okay. With the same method, I make so many. Not with another method. You can say they're so cute. You can see them. And I'm also gonna tell you my favorite BS. And I'm having so many. So I have just two. So my favorite BS is Jin. You can say it. You can see they're so cute, and this picture I like the most, and the two pictures were so cool. I'm gonna show you these two pictures of them I like the most. You can see, and this picture as well. And don't you think so that the glasses suits on RM? So you can see these all are so cute. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe my channel and share the video. Okay, it's the time for surprise. Okay, you have to give a sweet comment. The comment I would like the most will get these BTS Photocards. This shit is so exciting. So quickly write the comment. The comment I would like the most will get these Photocards. You could see them from here as well. You'll get them, yeah. So, and you have to subscribe the channel as well. I never thought that I would also get these Photocards, and today I'm so excited. So let me take some pictures with these Photocards. I'm so excited. So it's the end. So